Good afternoon, welcome to my laboratory. What we've got now is the same basic Arduino setup with the bar graph voltmeter that I used before, except I replaced the little bar graph function with a 7-segment LED. Okay, and I included some code in the program sketch to drive the LED to map the levels of the sensor output, i.e. the voltage at the pot pin, to the LED indication. And right now I'm still using the photovoltaic. I've got it tucked under my little board here so that it doesn't read my light, and I've slowed the change rate down so that the LED stays at one value long enough for you to read it. Now, all of these LEDs, 7-segment LEDs, are different. This one actually has a little decimal point that I didn't include in the program code, but it's easy enough to add. They come in common cathode and common anode types, and the pinouts are all different, so you're going to have to just find your own pinouts. There's enough information in the program sketch to tell you how to eventually wire things up. Basically what I've got is a 220 or 330 ohm resistor from each segment pin to each segment pin to the outputs of the Arduino, and then this is a common cathode, so then I've got the cathode connected over to the ground supply over here through this wire. Okay, and to change from common cathode to common anode, you just change the zeros and ones in the array that specifies the pins to turn on when you want it to play a number. And there's a little subroutine in the program, a function call, to actually write the LED value that we determined before to the 7-segment LED. I got the basic sketch, the basic code for the driving the 7-segment LED from the Osepp tutorial, the manufacturers of the board that I use, and I had to modify it a little bit to make it work, and to make it work with this LED. The outputs and it was scrambled, everything was scrambled. So anyway, I just basically hooked up the thing to the board and then went around with a power source and saw which pins lit up which segments. And then, knowing that the segments go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I then hooked up those segments to the correct pinouts on the Arduino board, and that's all given in the program code, which segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G is mapped to which pin is in the sketch that I wrote. Okay, so, and the rest of it is just the basic same old sensor-driven voltmeter, except with the output mapped to the 7-segment LED instead of to the little bar graph, improvised bar graph. All right. And of course, you can set your alarm, or you can use the MOSFET to turn on something or keep it on during a range of numbers, or whatever you like. Thank you for watching.